Also here at 5:30, a South Florida high school student saying what happened in class left her in shock. Well, that teen on the receiving end of a racial rant by one of her classmates.
Making matters worse, she felt she got no support from her own teacher. Walter Morris has more from her lawyer's office in West Miami-Dade.
I'm seeing something pop up on the Zoom, so I look, and then it's like N-word, hard R, like in all caps. And then I click on the chat, I open it, and then it's like spammed all through. And then it's like, unmute me, ugly B-word.
14-year-old Jasmine reliving the moment she says she was hit with hate while online learning in her own home. During a law class September 24th, another student going on a racist rant, repeatedly typing racial slurs, leaving the high school freshman and only black student in the class stunned.
I was like, oh my goodness. So I was like, oh my goodness, let me take a picture of this so I can show my mom.
I was shocked. I was shocked.
Her mother, Nicole Crook, says what happened next only added insult to injury. She says she didn't hear anything from the teacher at first, and when she went to Miami Senior High to meet with the principal,
the way that he came out and he spoke to me was, I'll say, rude, to say the least. Not once did he ask my daughter if she was okay. Not once did he ask how she was feeling. Not once, did they say, you know what, that is not acceptable behavior here.
Jasmine was so uncomfortable with the whole thing, her mother transferring her to a different high school. The family says they were told the student was disciplined, but they say that's not good enough. They say the teacher didn't do enough when this popped up on the screen, and they say she should be punished.
I didn't know how to feel, because I was like, did this really just happen? Am I imagining this?
It's being swept up underneath the rug. It's not being addressed the way that it needs to.
They've hired an attorney, and now they're calling on the district to release a recording of the Zoom call and change the policy for when students encounter racism in the classroom. They say they've already sent a letter, and if they don't like the response, they may take their complaints to court.
We need to see some change. We need to see some change within that school in particular, and I think within the entire administration and the Miami-Dade School District.
Okay, Walter Morris reporting right there, and the school district releasing a statement just moments ago saying they are disheartened to learn about this situation. It goes on to read here, although we cannot provide further comment due to potential litigation in this case, our commitment to promoting racial equality and social justice has not wavered. Again, end quote right there from Miami-Dade County Public Schools.